Super weather.
Hey everybody, meteorologist Sarah Gannon here with a first alert weather update for you as we track the threat for a few more showers and thunderstorms here later on tonight. A recap of some of the rainfall that we saw yesterday. A lot of spots in the area here getting some decent rainfall. A lot of spots over 4/10 of an inch. There were a few locations like St. Ansgar, parts of Rochester, Saratoga, Austin, Wyckoff, Elba area seeing 8/10 of an inch or higher. A couple spots, like I mentioned, Elba and Wyckoff, even Saratoga, Iowa, they're picking up over an inch of rainfall. So some beneficial moisture happening in the last 24 hours. Rochester International Airport picking up 4/10. You can see here on the map where some of those higher rainfall amounts fell just off to our west, south of the Mankato area. Certainly picking up some heavy rainfall there last night as those storms rumbled through. So a bit of a break here throughout much of the daytime and early evening hours here. Heading into tonight, though, another chance at some strong to severe thunderstorms may be possible. We do have an alert day in place for today. If you're in southeast Minnesota, right now we have that level 1 out of a level 5 severe threat. Northeast Iowa having a level 2 out of a level 5 severe threat. So our threat for severe storms kind of shifting a little bit further south. So with all the cloud cover that we've seen in a good chunk of the area, kind of limiting, making our threat a little bit more conditional. We have to have everything just right to see that severe activity here later on this evening, but not completely zero. We do still have that threat for some wind, maybe some small hail, and can't quite rule out maybe an isolated tornado or two later on this evening. So as you can see, plenty of cloud cover in place as we check in with future track radar. Things are quiet at this point in time. However, zooming out, you can see down towards the warm front here, down into portions of Nebraska, Kansas, seeing several polygons there. Noting the orange, the reds indicating severe thunderstorm warnings and tornado warnings in that direction. So we'll be watching this frontal boundary here very closely as we head into the next few hours. But as you can see, our severe storm outlook, southeast Minnesota in that level 1 threat, northeast Iowa in that level 2 threat, level 3 threat just down to our south. So I do think the bulk of that severe threat should stay south of us. However, we still have that possibility of a few isolated strong to severe storms, especially in North Iowa. So we'll track out more of those forecast details here for tonight and what will be much quieter heading into the rest of the work week. That's all ahead in your first alert forecast. Later on the broadcast, more Midwest Access is ahead.
Don't forget your umbrella.